Hey folks, just after 6 p.m. on this Saturday, and just kind of wanted to refresh the latest information that we have across the region. And so far, it's actually relatively good news. We have showers and storms moving into the region, but nothing is particularly overly organized, and that actually bodes well for severe potential, at least here in the short term, and also owing to the potential of just some much needed beneficial rain across the region. Here's a look at the radar over the last several hours, and we have had our share of severe thunderstorm warnings, but most of the activity that we've seen has pulsed up and then kind of weakened. The most consistent storms have been across southern Arkansas, and actually, as of the 6 o'clock hour, I know that the loop still shows a severe thunderstorm warning out over portions of Bradley and Calhoun counties. There it goes. But the other warning that was for portions of Drew County, that was canceled early. So no longer any active severe thunderstorm warnings across southern Arkansas, but still shower and thunderstorm activity is likely to persist. Back to the south, still a large glob of thunderstorms making their way northeastward, still capable of producing maybe some 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and that's what the severe thunderstorm warning is out for across north central Louisiana. It includes portions of Lincoln and Bienville and Claiborne and Union parishes. But I'll also want to just kind of make mention and draw attention to the fact that we have this outflow boundary that's making its way southeast through the area, and that's helping to enhance thunderstorm activity, at least in the short term, kind of in that immediate area. But it will also probably serve to kind of disrupt the wind field and not necessarily bring an end to the severe weather threat, but it kind of disrupts the tornado threat for areas beyond that boundary. So we're also starting to see the severe weather threat end and draw to a close to the north and west. So there's some moving pieces in the forecast that also, again, kind of bode well in terms of the overall forecast for the night. That said, low-level winds are expected to increase to a certain degree over the next few hours, and that still brings a window of opportunity for some strong to severe storm development and some tornado potential, especially in these areas that are relatively untapped with the lack of rainfall that we've seen across the southern parishes. All that said, we're also starting to see some scattered showers and storms in these areas, and that may help to also further disrupt the environment and really limit how organized storms can get through the course of the evening. All that said as well, I'll be keeping an eye on things to make sure nothing goes haywire over the next few hours. Here's a look at the severe weather alerts as they sit right now. Again, the only active severe thunderstorm warning in orange across north central Louisiana. That goes until 6:30. Tornado watches plenty across the region till 8 o'clock across most of southern Arkansas, except for Union County, which is included in the other tornado watch with the rest of northern Louisiana, and that goes until, or at least north central Louisiana, and that goes until 9 p.m. Columbia County already trimmed away from their tornado watch. So again, the severe weather threat starting to draw to a close, especially back to the west. For our areas to the east that have not seen any watches yet, I really don't want to really speculate in either direction as to whether you will see a warning tonight. It really just depends on how storms develop and if they can stay organized or get more organized over the next few hours. Of course, Apple users can download the Digital Weather Desk app, and you can always check the latest forecast and the interactive radar at digitalweatherdesk.com. And of course, I'll keep you updated with the latest through the rest of the evening hours. Enjoy your Saturday, everybody.